Questions to ask your realtor before you list with them. How many days on the market will my house stay on the market? How many times do you end up having a house that stays on longer than what it really should? Now, these are some really good questions because it shows how much the house is desirable. Is it set up right? Is it priced right? Is the location right? And how quickly are you going to be able to sell? If the house stays on the market in this time frame, because of how quick the market is, if it stays on the market for more than 3 or 4 days, you may have issues. You should have a bunch of people looking at it. Maybe you're still working through negotiations and trying to find the best offer for you, but if you have no offers by the end of the week in this market, you may want to try and find another solution on this. And I'm not saying to get a different realtor, but maybe you need to reapproach what's going on. There's normally a couple things that are reason why the house will not sell. One is market condition. Well, that's not a case right now. Another one is going to be price. That's a big one. If the house is overpriced, it's probably going to sit on the market. If it's underpriced, you should have already gotten an offer on it. The condition is another thing. If the house does not look good, isn't set up right, not painted, cleaned up, the way it's supposed to be, it's going to sit on the market. And the last is where your house is located at. Sometimes you can't fake where the house is at. I'm sorry that you're right next to that highway or next to that cemetery. Might be good for Dracula, but maybe not for your buyers.